Yeah, with this present scenario in Manipur, where five of our boys who belongs to Arambai Tengol has been arrested, as everyone knows, and then after that we have the entire state has become in a panic mode, and then in certain locations there has been bans and blockades. The internet has been shut down. There is curfew in in most of the districts in the valley. So what we have requested we have requested the honorable governor is that first of all, if the government wants to arrest anyone at this point of juncture, you should clarify first that he is going to be arrested for these purposes. So what the honorable governor has clarified to us is that he and the advisor, the security advisor, has told us is that one person that has been picked up by the CVI for a personal case, and four of them is not related to the CVI case. They are just doing some background research by the local police department, and then if they don't find anything, they will release them. So I think at this point of juncture, whatever the reason is, whatever the problem is, I think of all our political parties, what we have suggested is that if there are going to be any arrests, I think the public needs to be clarified first. I think around 20 to 23 MLAs belongs to all the parties and all the different parties. That exactly, I don't have a count with me now. We have NPP also was there. I think, and some from our Naga community is also there. So I think almost all the parties have been represented there.